The Recoil REC-12 Electric Driver for threaded inserts comes in a case that includes the transformer, a power cable, and the cord to connect the driver to the transformer. To operate, connect the power cable to the transformer. On the back of the transformer, you will find where you plug the cable in. The front of the transformer has a green and a red light. The green light indicates high speed, and the red light indicates low speed. Use low speed for all insert installations. The Recoil REC-12 Electric Driver has a trigger and a torque controller. Setting at number 1 is low torque, and it goes up to 10 for high torque. There is a quick release for the 1/4-inch hex. There is also a manual reverse button, even though the tool operates with auto reverse. To connect the cable to the electric driver, make sure that the pins are in line with the driver, then slide in and finger tighten the collar. To power the tool, simply line up the pins and insert the end of the cord from the tool into the transformer, and then screw on the collar. To use the Recoil REC-12 Electric Driver using the Hex Installation tool, simply place the Hex Drive Installation tool into the sleeve while pushing down on the quick release. To install Recoil threaded inserts, simply hold Insert and press Forward button, and simply screw the insert into the installation tool. Then, hold perpendicular and screw threaded insert into place. To set up the tool to use the Hex front end assembly for strip feed inserts M2.5 to M6, use the threaded pin to remove the magnetic stop. Insert into the hex drive, then turn clockwise a few times while pulling back on the quick release to pull the magnet out. The Fea Adapter has a left-handed thread. It slides over the torque control and screws on counterclockwise. The torque can easily be adjusted while the Fea Adapter is on. The Hex Fea, or front-end assembly, has a nozzle that is marked with the size and part number, and a threaded mandrel, and 3 spacers or depth collars. The longest spacer is for 1D, the middle spacer is for 1.5D, and the shortest one is for the 2D. Plus, there are some thinner shims to make any small depth adjustments. To place a spacer like this 1.5D onto the Fea, unscrew the mandrel, slide over the spacer, then screw it back into the nozzle. To attach the Fea to the tool, unscrew the nut from the adapter. Insert the hex end into the tool, slide over the nut, and tighten. To install a tanged or tangless threaded insert, hold the tool vertically and insert into the hole. The tool will automatically reverse out. To install bulk inserts up to M12 or 1/2 inch, use the Hex electric mandrel. Unscrew the adapter collar and remove the front end assembly. Then unscrew the Fea adapter and take the magnetic strip that was removed to place the adapter and reinstall it into the hex drive. Push down on the quick release until the magnetic strip is inserted and screw clockwise a few times. To install tangless inserts, use the Tangles installation tool with a spring-loaded pawl. The spring-loaded pawl grabs onto the notch of the Recoil Tangless insert, holding it in place to drive into the threaded hole. When installing tanged inserts, the end of the mandrel has a ramp that helps drive and install the tanged insert. The ramp on the mandrel then pushes up against the tang of a Recoil Tangless insert, allowing the insert to be driven into a threaded hole that's been prepared for the size of insert being installed, and then easily extracting after installation. The Recoil REC-12 Electric Driver. It's clean, easy to use, and delivers quick installation for recoiled threaded inserts for medium to high volume users.